How to estimate your insurance increase after a claim. Have you ever wondered how much your car insurance might go up after filing a claim? If you have collision coverage and are considering making a claim, it's important to understand how this could impact your premium. Let's break down the factors that play a role in estimating your insurance increase after a claim. First off, the biggest factor is whether you were at fault in the accident. If you are found to be at fault, your insurance company is likely to raise your rates more significantly than if you were not at fault. However, even if you are not at fault, your premium might still increase depending on the rules in your state and the policies of your insurer. Next, consider the type and severity of the accident. More serious accidents that result in larger payouts usually lead to higher premium increases. If the damages are minimal, the increase may be less significant. Your driving record is also key. If you have a clean driving history, you may face a smaller increase. On the other hand, if you have multiple claims or traffic violations, your premium could rise more sharply. Another important aspect is the number of claims you have filed in the past. If you frequently file claims, insurers may view you as a higher risk, which can lead to larger increases in your premium. The amount of the claim payout is also a factor. If your insurer pays out a large sum for repairs or medical expenses, expect a more substantial increase in your rates. State regulations can vary widely. Some states have laws that limit how much insurers can raise rates after a not-at-fault accident, while others do not have such protections. It's essential to know the rules in your area. Additionally, some insurance companies offer features like accident forgiveness. This means that your first accident may not lead to a premium increase, which can be a great benefit if you have collision coverage. On average, if you are at fault in an accident, your premium could increase by anywhere from 20% to 50% or even more. For instance, full coverage rates might rise by about 48% annually after an at-fault accident. This increase can last for 3 to 5 years, but it may gradually decrease if you maintain a clean driving record during that time. To estimate your potential premium increase after a claim, start by reviewing your insurer's past rate changes for claims if that information is available. Consider your fault status and the payout amount of the claim. Take into account your driving history and how many claims you have made before. It's also wise to check your state's regulations regarding rate increases after accidents. You can contact your insurer or agent to ask for an estimate based on your specific situation. Many insurance companies also provide online tools or calculators that can help you estimate your potential premium increase. Lastly, it's worth noting that while collision coverage is essential for protecting against significant repair costs, filing a claim can be costly in terms of future premiums. For minor damages, sometimes paying out of pocket might be the smarter financial choice. Understanding these factors can help you anticipate how a claim might affect your insurance costs and make informed decisions about your coverage.